This is Paxton's Room of Creations. Come on inside with me, and Paxton is going to show you some of these. He's got some really interesting Legos.
This is the quads for my Ninjago robots. But that's a water stripe, not a robot. This is a robot.
What is that?
What's this? It's transformed back a motorcycle.
Okay, now transform it back to a horse.
I'll just do this. Oh, that piece fell off. It's very easy to break. It's like 5 inches tall when you do this. It's like, it's that tall. And the legs, when we get to the horsey head, the horsey head is the tallest on this thing. Gotta show you something even bigger and cooler than this one.
Ooh, what's that?
It's a dragon. And there's even a tongue.
What does a tongue do?
It just like lick people.
That doesn't look like a very good-looking tongue. Ah.
It looks like a flag. Oh, one piece fell off. A piece fell off. It falls apart easily. Never. It's right on top of you. I'm gonna shoot something at you from the water stream.
Okay. Oh.
It just makes it go on high.
And what's that one called again?
The water strider.
Oh. Shoot me again.
Okay. And this time I'll do like a jump like this. That one too.
Okay.
I'm gonna try again.